Welcome back to the Chess Master Series episode 21. In our last episode, we covered the Nimzo-Indian and Bogo-Indian defenses. Today, we complete the Indian trilogy against White's NF3 setup with the elegant and solid Queen's Indian defense. The Queen's Indian defense occurs after d4 nf6, c4 e6, and White plays nf3 to avoid the Nimzo-Indian. Black responds with b6, preparing to fianchetto the bishop on b7. This is a hypermodern approach where Black controls the long diagonal and the critical e4 square from a distance, rather than occupying the center with pawns. White often tries to challenge this with a kingside fianchetto of their own or by playing g3. The resulting positions are rich in strategy, where Black aims for a solid setup while waiting for the right moment to counterattack in the center. It is known for being extremely reliable and difficult to break down. The Queen's Indian is a staple in the repertoire of many world champions. Master its strategic nuances to become a more complete player. In the next episode, we will dive into the professional and powerful world of the Catalan opening. Keep practicing and I will see you on the board.